Welcome to Emma's Adventures.
Oh, Emma, you sound like you just woke up. Did you just wake up?
Yeah.
No. She's been up for an hour, but somebody's tired. And there's candy. Oh, and there's candy in there too. There's candy everywhere, literally. Everywhere. Oh my gosh.
They want you to eat candy.
They want you to get sugared up so you can go and play and buy and play. And wow, there's another Dunkin's right there. There's literally 3 or 4 Dunkin's in the same building. All right, let's go. What? There's more candies over there.
I know.
Wow. Sour mix.
And you put them in like
In that container, and then we got it last time. Yep, and then you eat it. All right, we'll get the candy on the way out, so it doesn't melt in the pool. Right. We just went down this slide, and it goes way up there, pretty tall. And Emma is fearless. She has no fears. Hi. She's all the way there. She has no fears of heights, rides, any of that, which is amazing. So anyways, it was so much fun, and then the drop at the bottom was crazy. There she goes again. Loving all kinds of slides. Are these funny? Giant trees. Emma used to love going under these. Alright, let's catch Emma at the bottom of the slide. We're gonna surprise her, so let her go up there first. You guys ready to catch her? Let's try it. I found a little girl right here. Emma, she's in the lazy river, relaxing. Hello. Fun. She's having so much fun. Love it. Oh, somebody got jammed. There's way too many people here now. Who's that kid? Some stranger, huh? Hi. We lost Mason again. He's too fast.
He's not in a tube.
He's on his two?
No, he isn't.
Then what is he? He's just swimming in lazy river?
He's just swimming.
Is he? Mason is just, I don't know. He's doing all sorts of tricks in the lazy river. And I lost him again. Not sure where he is.
I see him.
You see him? Where? Show me. Go, Emma, go. Go. Escape. Go in front of me. I'll protect you. Oh, there he is. Who's winning? Oh my gosh, he's flying. What are you doing, silly? What's he doing? Whoa. Okay, make it. Emma, are you relaxing? Someone is hungry? Are you hungry as a wolf? You hungry as a wolf? Gonna get ice cream after? Yes? Oh, you're getting candy instead of ice cream. That's right. All right. Huh? Oh, it's just water. The other one is this way. Right? Here we go. Where are you guys? Emma? How did you get up there? Oh. There she comes down the hill. Not hill, down the slide. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Good. Where's your brother? So, all right, let's go on the ropes. Okay, I tried to do the rope thing and I was terrified, but the boys are doing really good. So is Emma. Emma is doing so well all by herself, but once I went on that first rope, the rope was shaking so much and I just couldn't do it, and I decided to turn around. Again, I just didn't want to push myself too hard, but Emma, she's just like, go. This girl is fearless. Look at her. See her right there? She's way up there having a ton of fun. It's crazy. Ooh! Alright, that's not bad. Oh! Oh, is it? It stopped. Alright, you think I can do this? Oh! Did it just go around it? It went around it, but not in. That's crazy. Oh, you're gonna have to get me in first. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. He got my ball in. That's so awesome. No. Whose turn is it? I'm in already. All right, Emma. Thank you. Oh. Hey, you can't go 3 times in a row. What is this? All right, you're last. That's what happens when you cheat. All right, tell me, how was the ropes? Were you scared up there?
Kind of.
Kind of. What did it feel like being up there?
Like I was about to fall off a cliff.
About to fall off the cliff?
Yeah.
It seemed so scary. Like I was really, really scared to go on the rope. But this girl, she went a little slow, but she was fearless. She did such a good job. All right, go ahead, Mason. Get my ball in. Oh, it's my turn. I better get this. Gotta get it in. It's right there. Oh, what happened? You got yours, Emma. Right next to the eagle. So close. Yay! Woo! Good girl. Nope, Emma first. What's going on with you today? What's going on? You're fooling around too much.
I need to play pool more.
And?
No, I mean, you have to put it there. Keep it there. Alright, real first.
Put it whatever you want, okay?
We're living life, see the lights, build up, she all around tonight, let's
Gonna get stuck again.
We're going up higher tonight, shine a joy, yeah, on my way, hold tight, we'll dance all day, where the city shines so
Did you get it?
bright, know me under
Are you playing
neon
pool
lights.
again?
Oh,
Let's play pool?
let's just have some fun.
Oh, that's gonna be hard. Hey, my ball is stuck in there.
She got me some
Again. Did it happen last night?
All we got the city
Oh, you were
lights.
stuck first.
City lights, no
How am I
she
supposed to do that? You know what? I'm gonna play.
Oh, you're right.
I'm gonna play
We're living life. City
way.
lights, build up, she all around
Where's the
tonight,
hole?
let it shine. Oh, you're right. We're going up higher tonight.
Oh my gosh, did I just get it in? All right, Mason, you and me, pool. It's awesome. Oh, there you go. Good job. That's where I got stuck last night. My turn? Cool. All right, let's get this in, you guys. Let's get it in. Ready? Oh, what was that? All right, Emma. Go for it, girl. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. It's moving steady. And it's done. Okay. One more. Woo, good girl.
Honey still.
There's honey there. Aww. Oh, you gave the bear a hug. You have so much love. All right, Emma, you gotta pick some candy. All right, it's candy time. Get a treat before we go. Emma, that's crazy organized. How cool is that? Wow. Candy. Wow. Look at those gummy bears. Yummy.
Candy dreams we float on by, colorful and don't ask why. Laugh and play, just you and me, and in this world of sweet fantasy.
Wow, it's a lot of gummy worms. Your cup is almost full. Tongs. It's easier to grab. That looks yummy. You have a glove. You can take it with your hand, Emma. Yeah, you have a glove on. It went right there. Oh, that's very chewy. Oh, there's M&Ms too? You have a glove, just use your hand. Use your hand. What are those, airplanes or whales? Oh, sharks. Those are sharks? It says that. Ooh, what is that? Creepy. Legos? Candy box. It's a lot of candy. Wow, Emma, you got so much. What else? Anything else you want? What else? What else do you think? More gummy bears. Oh, that's box. I think that's good. Think you got enough?
Yeah.
You good? All right. Okay, you dropped one. Here. Oh my gosh. You want to take your glove off? Time to go. Come on, baby girl. I think you got plenty of... Oh, that's a mermaid tail. You have plenty of candy now. Let's get some ice cream. Come on. Legos candy. Cool. Gummy bears? Well, not bears, but gummies. Who is that? Bear Paw? Hi.
I named him Mr. Bear.
There's candy, giant candies. Don't eat the bear. Wow.
I'm gonna give him a soda.
The bear is gonna eat a soda candy?
Drink
Wow.
some.
That looks yummy. It's got a strawberry on top.
All of it.
Woohoo! Cool. Alright guys, this has been incredible having you with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like our video, and
Comment down below if you liked it.
you can comment down below as well. So cheers. Emma, cheers. Candy.
Cheers, I'm eating a shark.
Eating a shark.